Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stand before you with the topic e-governance. So far as e-governance is concerned, in this video, meaning of e-governance, initiatives in India in the field of e-governance, challenges of e-governance in India, and suggestions for better implementation of e-governance in India will be discussed in this video. And the topic e-governance is found in +3 second semester general elective paper, and the name of the paper is Governance Issues and Challenges. But before I discuss e-governance, I want to inform my viewers that my channel name is @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375. Remember, @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375. If you will search this channel in Google, you will find more than 476 videos in my channel. And videos are related with +2 first year political science to +2 second year political science, +3 first semester political science honors to up to +3 sixth semester political honors, and some videos of environmental studies of +3 first semester, which is common for +3 arts, commerce and science students, and some videos of ethics and values paper of +3 second semester, and some videos of the general elective paper of +3 second semester. I request my viewers that please subscribe if you have not subscribed for your benefit, and if you have subscribed already, future videos will be with you. Whenever I will prepare new videos, automatically it will be with you. Then those of your friends who are in above classes, aware them about this channel, so some students will be benefited. Again, I want to inform my viewers that any video you want, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in YouTube. You will get both the Odia and English video. If you will get Odia video, be sure that its English version is available. If you will get English video, be sure that its Odia version is also in YouTube. Let us start. E-governance. What is e-governance? With the change of time, new concepts are coming up, which are to be accepted. With the change of time, new concepts are coming up, which will have to be accepted. Otherwise, progress of a country will be hampered. Among these new concepts, e-governance is one. This e-governance is otherwise known as smart governance or online governance. With the change of time, new concepts are coming up, which will have to be accepted. If new concepts will not be accepted, the progress of a country will be hampered. So among new concepts, e-governance is a new concept. And e-governance is otherwise known as the smart governance or online governance. Now discuss what is meaning of e-governance. People are confused e-governance with e-government, but they are not one. E-government means the government which is applying ICT, information and communication technology, to deal with citizens, business and its employees. Sometimes people are confused e-governance with e-government, but actually e-governance and e-government are different things. E-government means the government which is applying information and communication technology to deal with citizens, employees and business. But e-governance means the use of information and communication technology for governing the country. But e-governance means the use of ICT, information and communication technology, for the governance of the country. And e-governance is known as smart governing. E-governance is known as smart governing, where smart S stands for simplification of rules, regulation and processes of government. Smart, SMART. A stands for simplification of rules, regulation and process of government. M stands for moral, which aims to control immoral activities by strengthening police, judiciary. A stands for accountable, by which public servants will be made responsible. R stands for responsive, by which public service will be available speedily. And finally, T stands for transparent, means nothing is hidden, rather open and public. So we are clear that smart governance is not what smart government is. Smart government means where the government is applying information and communication technology to deal with citizens, employees, business. But e-governance means to govern the country on the basis of information and communication technology. So, e-governance means smart governance or online governance. So, we are clear what is the meaning of e-governance and how it is different from the e-government. Now discuss e-governance initiative in India. There are various types of initiatives of e-governance, or there are various types of e-governance. Number one, government to government, G2G, government to government initiative. Government to government initiative, it means within a government and among various governments, some initiatives have been taken to use ICT skills. Government to government initiative means within a government or among governments, information technology skills have been used. For example, among Northeast states, NEGIS, NEGIS, Northeast Gang Information System has been developed to share information about street gangs. In a similar manner, Khajane project in Karnataka was implemented, where the entire treasury system was computerized and the system has the ability to track every activity from approval of budget to every expenditure of it. In Andhra Pradesh, smart government was introduced, where every movement of file of government is traced, including delay in file and closure of file. So, there are various initiatives of e-governance. First initiative is government to government initiative. Government to government initiative means whenever information technology has been used within a government or among governments. For example, so far as among government is concerned, in northeast states of India, to track street gangs, to track criminals, information technology has been used by nations of northeast states, and this is known as the Northeast Gang Information System. This is among governments, and within government means sometimes within government information technology is used. For example, In Karnataka, there is a Khazanah project. Here, the entire treasury system has been computerized. From approval of budget to every expenditure from the budget. And in Andhra Pradesh also, smart government was introduced where every movement of file is tracked and delay of the file is tracked and closure of the file is tracked. It is known as the government to government initiative. Number 2, government to citizen, G2C, government to citizen initiative. It means to give better government service to people. E-government service was used to give better service to citizen. Government to citizen initiative has been adopted. Steps have been taken to give people computerized land records from reliable old records. By use of information communication technology, steps have been taken to give people computerized land record from old records. Bhumi project in Karnataka is an example in this context. In Project Friend, FRIEND, in Kerala, people pay tax online. And Bihar State Electricity Board has also started to give electricity dues online. In Rajasthan, government formations are provided. Government informations are provided to rural and urban people through E-Mitra project. So, in order to give service to citizen by the government to citizen, information technology has been used. Number 3, government to G2B, government to business initiative. It means all relations of government with business organizations like online bidding, issue of licenses, e-procurement, etc. are made in this way. Andhra Pradesh in 2003 and Gujarat in 2007 started online bidding. G2B means government to business. It means government uses information technology skill for its business partners by online bidding, online procurement, and it is found in Andhra Pradesh as well as Gujarat. Then G2E, government to employee. Government to employee initiative. Government also uses e-governance service to its employees in giving information online, departmental examination, online leave application, etc. Government uses information technology skill for its employees also. How? Government also uses e-governance service to its employees in giving information. Then online departmental examination, online leave application, etc. So these are 4 initiatives of e-governance. Now discuss e-governance challenges in India. The first challenge is environmental and social challenge. There are some problems for e-governance in India. The first problem is environmental and social challenges. What are these problems? Number 1, different language. As in India, people of different languages are found. It is very difficult to implement e-governance work in different languages. As in India, people of different languages are found. It is very difficult to implement e-governance in different languages. It is a problem. Number 2, low literacy. As people are illiterates, it is very difficult to execute this project. As people of India are illiterate, it is very difficult to execute e-governance project. Number 3, large population. Due to large Indian population, it is very difficult to maintain their information. Due to large population of the country, it is very difficult to maintain data of Indian people. Number 4, poverty. People are unable to afford computer to take benefit of e-governance activity. In India, people are very poor, so they are unable to afford computer to take the benefit of e-governance. 5, services are not available everywhere. In India, services are internet are not available in all parts. In remote area it is not available. It is a problem. Then most of the people do not have trust on this activity. Most of the people do not have trust on e-governance because they feel that if they will upload their information, that information may be leaked out. People do not have trust on e-governance. Then government websites are not user friendly. Government websites are so much difficult that common people are unable to deal with it. So government websites are not user friendly. Then there is low IT literacy in India. In India, people do not have IT knowledge and people are illiterate. 9. People are not aware of its benefit. People are not aware about the benefits of e-governance. 10. In e-governance, there is no uniformity of data. Central government has some data, state government has some other data. There is no uniformity of data in e-governance. Central government has some other data, state government has some other data. So these are all the environmental and social problems for implementing e-governance in India. Number 2, economic challenges. Cost. As India is a poor country, it is very difficult to implement it because a huge cost is necessary for it. As India is a poor country, it is very difficult to execute e-governance because for it huge cost is necessary. Number 2, low per capita income. As people in India have low per capita income, they cannot afford it. As people in India, they have low per capita income, they cannot afford e-governance benefits because they do not have computer. Finally, technical challenges. There are some technical challenges. Number 1, privacy and security. By uploading information online, there is a chance of leak out secret data of people. Another problem is privacy and security. Sometimes people fear that by uploading their information may be leaked out. It is another problem. Number 2, geographical problem. In most of remote areas, internet is not available. Number 3, inability of people to understand e-governance. It is a major problem. Most of the people of India, they are illiterate. They are unable to understand e-governance. It is another problem. Then 4, updation of technology. As technology is changing fast, there is need to update technology. So these are all the problems, challenges for e-governance in India. Now we will discuss some suggestions. Some suggestions will be given by which e-governance can be implemented in a better way. Number 1, step must be taken to spread computer skills among people. First suggestion to implement e-governance in a better way is that step must be taken to speed up step must be taken to spread computer skills among people. People should be given computer education so that e-governance will be successful. Number 2, step must be taken to then cyber law must be made to control cyber crimes. Cyber law must be made to control cyber crimes. Number 2, step must be taken to spread computer skills among people. Number 3, there must be provision for online complaint against corrupt employees. There must be provision to lodge complaint online against the corrupt employees. Number 4, local language must be used in e-governance. Local language must be used in e-governance so that e-governance will be successful. 5, mindset of people must be changed to accept change. People must be advised to accept e-governance. They must be advised to accept the change. 6, there is need to establish more technical institute to impart computer skill. There is need to establish more technical educations, technical institutes to impart computer skills. 7, there is a need to provide useful information by which people will be attracted for e-governance. There is need to provide useful information by which people will be attracted for e-governance. In e-governance, there must be interested there must be interesting facts must be provided so that people will be attracted. In e-governance, interesting, important information must be provided so that people will be attracted towards e-governance. Then, step must be taken to increase its connectivity in rural area. Step must be taken to increase the connectivity in rural area so people of all area will get the benefit of e-governance. 9. Government websites will be made user-friendly by which people can easily understand. Government website must be made easy so that people can easily understand it. People can easily deal with it. Finally, government should develop better infrastructure to provide prompt services to people. Government should provide better infrastructure by which these services can be more speed. Okay viewers, in this video we have discussed what is e-governance, how it is different from e-government, what are the initiatives of e-governance, what are the challenges of e-governance, and what are the solutions. Thank you viewers. Have a nice day.